Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to a pair of earphones from Vivo. The Bluetooth True Wireless Vivo Air XEW25 earphones have a luxurious appearance, comfortable fit, and impressive sound quality compared to many other earphones in the same price range. This product promises to bring exciting experiences to users when used. The outside of the charging case is covered with an attractive and elegant white color. I already like earphones that are white in color, so I was immediately impressed by the design of this Vivo Air XEW25 earphone at first sight. In addition, the earphones also come in a stylish black and blue version, which is equally beautiful. If you like dark and trendy colors, this will be the perfect choice for you. On the front of the charging case, there is an LED light and the Vivo logo is embossed, which is both beautiful and product identifying. Regarding the LED light, when we just open the lid, the light will be green, and when the earphones are connected to a phone or laptop, the light will turn white. At the back of the charging case, there is a small round button used to reset the earphones to their original settings. You only need to press and hold it for about 15 seconds to complete the operation. I noticed that the earphones are designed to be quite small. They fit right into my ears when worn and do not cause any discomfort because the earphones are extremely light, weighing only about 3.5 g/ear. In addition, the housing part is just right. It is enough for the earphones to fit securely on my ears. I have used them while eating, chatting, and even running for a long time, and the earphones still remain fixed on my ears. As earbuds, the sound will not be completely transmitted into the ear but will leak out a bit. However, when I use them to listen to rap songs with a lot of bass or watch action movies with intense scenes, they are still captivating. In addition, the treble and mid-range sounds are also reproduced quite well, helping to balance the music. When I use the earphones to listen to music or watch movies at an average volume level, 50%, the earphones provide a usage time of about 4.5 hours. This is a reasonable amount of time for my music experience. When I'm not using them anymore, I just need to put the earphones back into the charging case, and the charging case will immediately provide more energy to the earphones. Thanks to this, the next time I use them, I have more time to listen to music. Overall, with a compact design, the Bluetooth True Wireless Vivo Air XEW25 earphones provide a really good sound experience, along with water resistance and battery life that is more than enough for normal use. I am completely satisfied with this product. And those are my personal reviews of the Bluetooth True Wireless Vivo Air XEW25 earphones. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support us in future videos. See you in the next videos.